Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your health stats in the Notify for Xiaomi app. To see all of your various health stats, you can of course go to the home screen, and in here you can see your steps, which will allow you to see how many steps you do, of course with different abilities to see over longer periods of time. This will show how many kilometers you've walked, how many calories you've burned, your totals. You can go here, of course, see your sleep stats, see your heart rate, which you may have the ability to customize how much monitoring you do, how often you monitor. Continuous mode will of course consume enormous amounts of energy. The battery life would become quite poor, so I don't recommend doing that, but 1 minute is completely sufficient. You can see of course across different amounts of time your heart rate. Here you can tap on this to see your, again, the trends for your heart rate. Of course you can back off and see your health check, which will try to consider your health and maybe, do different things. Stress also, but for stress you might have to go into settings and make sure all day stress tracking is turned on if you want to have that turned on. Also sleep breathing tracking too if you want to have that. But as you can see, of course, stress meters, your trends for your stress, just the same as with everything else. You can back off your blood oxygen too, just the same way as before. Though depending on your band, the data might be more or less accurate. You shouldn't really use this as a medical device because those smart bands aren't medical devices. So yes, you can also of course go to device and here on weekly fitness data to see all of these things all together as a report of some sorts. Or go into fitness reports, for example heart, and see your heart reports over the days. Now if this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.